This is our 83rd practice question. As a project manager, you should be familiar with the logical ordering of the project management processes. Of the following, which one is the logical order of the project management processes? Initiating, planning, monitoring and controlling, executing, planning, initiating, monitoring and controlling, executing, closing, initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, closing, planning, initiating, executing and closing. And the correct answer is C. Initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling and closing is the correct order of processes presented. Remember IPCC to remember the logical order of the project management lifecycle processes group. A is incorrect because it is not the correct order of the processes although it does list all the 5 of the process group, it does not list them in the correct order. B and D are incorrect because they do not set the processes in the proper order. Remember on the PMP exam that you will need to choose the answer that is most correct according to the question presented. Thank you.